Figure out the brand in 3 minutes. Tom Ford. Overview. Tom Ford S.A., founded by designer Tom Ford in 2005, is an American luxury fashion house offering ready-to-wear, made-to-measure items, footwear, accessories, cosmetics, and fragrances. Initially owned by Ford, the brand was sold in 2023 to the Estée Lauder companies, while the fashion division is now managed by the Ermenegildo Zegna Group. Background and brand development. Ford left his role as creative director at Gucci in 2004 to launch his own label. The brand's luxury retail concept began with a cosmetics line in 2004 and expanded to include optical frames and sunglasses. The first flagship boutique opened in New York City in 2007, followed by other locations, including Miami and London. Sales and controversies. By 2017, Tom Ford Beauty was generating about $1 billion in sales. The brand faced criticism for its provocative advertising, which some viewed as objectifying women. Ford defended his approach, claiming he objectified both genders equally but acknowledged cultural differences in depicting nudity. Recent developments. In April 2023, Estée Lauder acquired the Tom Ford brand for $2.8 billion, with the Zegna Group managing the fashion business. Peter Hawkins succeeded Ford as creative director, with Haider Ackermann set to take over in March 2025. The brand's history and launch are documented in the 2021 book, Tom Ford 002.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.